Happy Vlogmas! Good morning, y'all. It is December 12th. It is Vlogmas day 12. I am obviously laying in my bed. It is 9:54. I know I look rough, you don't have to tell me, but I'm about to get up and make some coffee and probably some breakfast. On the to-do list today, let's go through it. I have to study, and I have to study. Wow, that sounds so interesting, doesn't it? I have a macro exam tomorrow. If you've been watching my videos, you know. I'm kind of stressed about it. That's my friend texting me about this macro exam. I also woke up with this red dot on my face. I think I was sleeping on my phone. It was really bad. I've actually been laying in my bed for a while trying to wait for this red dot to fade away because it legit looks so weird in my video. So it's just like this little pink dot now. It's going away. I don't know what it is. It's not like a bump or anything. I was just sleeping weird. I'm also about to do a face mask. I know that's kind of weird because it's the morning time. Why am I going to do a face mask? But I just feel like doing it. I feel like my skin needs a little rejuvenation. I'm kind of breaking out right here. I'm not sure if it's from being my time of the month or if it's from being stressed about finals. But I'm going to do like a little face mask that's supposed to help with that. And relax before I have to cry my eyes out and study all day long. Let's see, what face mask should I use? I have this snail one. I have this one from Sephora that I don't really want to use. I'm a Korean skincare kind of gal. I'm sorry for my skin. Jelly mask calming. I kind of need one for a breakout. So let's see if I have one. This is hydrating. This is whitening and brightening. This is hydration, and this is hydration. So I think the calming one is this one. I'm sorry for my skin. Yes, I am. Ooh, it's really slimy. It's freezing cold. I actually don't even know if I want it to be this cold. Okay. Smells good. Smells very healthy. Oh, it's freezing cold, y'all. Sometimes I like it from the fridge, sometimes I don't. But I think it's better for my skin if it's cold. Or like really big puffs, you know? Then I like to rub the extra all over myself because I don't like to waste. See, like, look at the consistency. It's very, very jelly. I think this was really a good look for me. Feels good, smells good, I'm feeling it good. It's actually like really waking me up. This is actually a really good idea because I was kind of groggy, you know? It was kind of just like, I gotta get up. But this, like, putting this cold face mask on my face is really just like waking me up. So I don't even know what to do now because I can't drink coffee through this. This is an ordeal. I'm gonna fill up my little glass with some water because I can drink through a straw. So I just took the face mask off and I think my skin looks pretty good. Looks very dewy. I know I am pale. You don't have to tell me that either. But I'm gonna fake tan tonight. So, but since I took that off, I'm going to finally make my cup of coffee. It's 10:30, which is way past the time I make coffee. And I'm gonna use my new little Christmas mug. But I probably should wash it. I run on coffee and Christmas spirit. Definitely need to go to the coffee shop though because I legit just laid in my bed for like 30 minutes instead of studying, so getting dressed for that. And I'm gonna head to the coffee shop, probably the same one I went to yesterday because that's my favorite. Hey y'all, I am on the way home from the coffee shop. I ended up getting the worst headache. I think it's because I haven't eaten anything. I just kind of forgot, and I'm on my second cup of coffee, and so it's like just making me really jittery, but yet I have no energy because I haven't eaten. So I'm going home to get some food, and then I got to start studying again. So I'm about to eat this salad. This is a broccoli slaw and kale salad with white chicken meat I got from Trader Joe's. The whole romaine thing is really depressing me because all the best salads are made with romaine. But for the time being, this is what I'm gonna eat. I've eaten it before, it's really good, but if it doesn't fill me up, I'm gonna have to eat something else because I just do not feel good, and I'm almost 100% positive it's because I haven't eaten. Y'all, I just made a bowl of ramen noodles. I feel like I can't get any more like a typical college student than this. And I really have no regrets, y'all. I don't feel good. I wanted some soup and some carbs, and so that's exactly what I got. Still studying. I am nowhere near done. It's about 3 o'clock, and it's not looking good for me, so. Hey y'all, it is 8:53. I have really been procrastinating. I laid in my bed for like 2 hours and took a nap. Was that smart? No. Would I recommend you do that? Absolutely not. But that's what I did. And so now I'm like, wow, Raegan, you really got to get together and you really got to study. So I'm studying now. I really want to fake tan tonight because look at this. But whenever I fake tan, I sleep on my couch just so I don't have to worry about getting my white bed dirty. But I want a good night's rest because I have my final tomorrow, and then the night after that I don't get a good night's rest because I have to leave for the airport at like 4 in the morning. So I don't know if I want a fake tan. I do want a fake tan, but I don't know if I want a bad night's sleep. Hey y'all, I just got in my bed. It is about 1 o'clock in the morning. I never got the time to fake tan. I seriously just finished studying. Well, I'm not even finished studying. I just stopped studying for the night because I'm going to try to wake up at 6:30, 7 in the morning and study some more just so it'd be like fresh on my mind, and I'll also like be studying with a fresh mind because I feel like I'm almost brain dead at this point. So I'm going to go to bed, and I will see y'all bright and early in the morning. So good night. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday. It's about 9 o'clock. I got up around 7:45 and started studying, and also I went ahead and did my makeup so I can sit down and study some more. I do not feel ready for this exam at all, but I mean, it's gonna happen at 11, so at least it'll be over with in like 5 hours. This lighting is making me look really tan, and I'm liking it. I really do need to fake tan. My flight leaves at 6:45 in the morning, which means I have to be there at the airport at about 5:30, no later than 5:30. That's even kind of pushing it. 5:30, and that means I need to leave at 4:30. That's really early. I don't know if I should go to sleep or if I should stay up the whole night. I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out tonight. I really want to fake tan. So maybe I'll fake tan at like 8, sleep in it, go to sleep kind of early, sleep in it, wake up at like 3 and shower. I don't know. I say that, but I'm probably not going to do that because I'm probably going to legit be miserable in the morning and not want to wake up. Also have a lot of packing to do and cleaning to do and just a lot of things in general. So it's gonna be a long day, but first on the agenda, let's get this final done. Y'all, it is finally time. I can no longer sit here. I have to go take my exam. I'm just wearing some Timberlands, jeans, and I'm wearing a black sweater under the jacket. For finals, we have a relaxed dress code. That's why I'm wearing jeans. I also have to go by and get a calculator because I don't have a calculator, and hopefully I can find one for really cheap. I just need it to like add, subtract, multiply, all that good jazz, and then I take my exam. So I guess I'll see y'all when it's over. It's snowing. I don't know if y'all can see. I can see, but it's snowing. Maybe that's a good sign that I'm gonna do good on my finals. Hey y'all, I know it's a lot later. I have not vlogged. I got home and just got in my bed and watched some Netflix and fell asleep. I was just so mentally and physically exhausted, and I didn't really realize it until I was done with finals, and then it just hit me, and I was like so relieved that I could just relax. So I've been doing that. I haven't done anything. I did get up and make a cup of coffee like an hour ago and then crawled back in my bed and kind of like dozed off. But I just got up and heated it back up, and now I'm drinking it. I have a lot to do before my flight leaves in less than like 10 hours. Like, I don't even get to go to sleep really tonight. I have to clean because I refused to come home to a dirty apartment in January. And I also still have to do some laundry. I don't have a ton, but I just have a little bit to do that I want to get done. So I don't have any dirty clothes to come back to. And I'm going on vacation the day after Christmas with my family. So that means I have to pack for a warm weather and get my summer clothes out, as well as pack for just being home for a month. So I have a lot to do, and I probably shouldn't have laid in my bed, but it's okay because I'm gonna get it done. And then I also am gonna self tan in about like 2 hours and then just leave it on and do what I gotta do. So that is the plan. I also have to get this vlog up in a little while. That's why I wanted to come on and check in and like do some stuff before I had to stop vlogging and start editing. I know this vlog's probably not going to be as interesting either, but I promise when I get home tomorrow, we're going to have a lot of fun. I have things planned, and we're going to really get in that Christmas spirit together. So just bear with me, and I'm going to get to working, and I'll check in a little while. Hey y'all, I just finished my laundry and now I'm sitting down. I'm gonna start editing this vlog, but I'm not gonna finish it yet. You're actually gonna sit here and watch me edit this vlog that you're watching me film. So I'm gonna edit for a little while, then I gotta pull out my suitcases and get those ready because I'm gonna fake tan. And then after I fake tan, while I'm like drying, I'm going to go ahead and start packing. So I'm going to try to get out as much as I can right now so I can get this video up for y'all at a decent time. And yeah, just sit back, enjoy, and watch me edit. Also, while I eat my ramen noodles, I've just really been on this ramen noodle kick. I'm sure it will fade, hopefully so, because ramen noodles are very bad and probably the #1 reason for cancer. But they are delicious. So I just got my suitcases out from under my bed, and now I'm about to fake tan. Delicious. Hey y'all, I am done fake tanning. I have been packing and editing this vlog, and it's time for me to say goodbye so I can get this vlog uploaded for y'all and get the battery charged in this camera, because I will see y'all in like 4 hours. So don't worry, I won't be going for very long because I do have to vlog my flight and everything going home. But I'm super excited about going home. So the next vlog you see, we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff and you're gonna really like it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe before you go so you can see all my upcoming vlogs, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!